Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a Hermex CH-38. This was one of two locks my brother had with him when he passed. It's a neat little lock. The only thing I know about it is that he purchased it in South America, which is where I believe these are made. Here's the key. There's a great little bitting on it, actually. So, works like a champ. So, I wanted to go ahead and show you that we can pick this open. So, go ahead and do that, shall we? And there we go. It didn't take too long to get her open. But let's go ahead and see if we can't rake it open too. Just for S&Gs, you know? The good old S&Gs. So let's lock her back up. And there we go. And there we go. Didn't take too much to break her open there either, did it? Not so much. But the main thing, and the main reason I wanted to show you guys this lock was just in remembrance of my young brother who passed. I miss him so much, and luckily for me, I know he's still a part of me, and he'll always be a part of my life. So thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.